What's up, everybody? It's Haven Nelson, and welcome back to episode 2 of Creativarts. Today I'm joined by Daniel Yarbo, a local filmmaker and creative in Kansas City. Right now we're at Komatsu. We're about to grab some lunch, and then we're gonna have some kind of conversation. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so the Komatsu Hall, what did we get? I got some brisket buns. Let's just take a quick look at these. Looks so good. I definitely want to say thank you to Komatsu for the ramen. I love Komatsu. I've been going there for a long time. I got the number 5, which is the Hikata, and he got the number 11, Susaki. You guys should definitely check out Komatsu if you've never been there. It's a wonderful place located in Westport, and it's definitely some of the best ramen in Kansas City, so definitely check that out for yourself. You're creative. What specifically do you do? What is your art form?
My art form is cinematography. I like to create stories using anything visual, so obviously a camera, lighting, also audio. That's not visual, but it helps the storytelling part of it. And that's what I like to do, just bring my stories to life that are in my mind.
As far as like creative goals and kind of like staying productive and stuff, would you say Kansas City has a lot to offer, or do you find yourself not being able to find jobs and projects to work on?
Kansas City definitely has a lot to offer. I've been here my whole life, and ever since I started making videos, I've had plenty of offers. Like I've had so many connections and networked with so many people. Kansas City is such a creative place. There's always opportunities to get for anybody. It goes for whatever you do. If you're an artist, if you're a videographer, anything you do, there's always opportunities in Kansas City. That's why I love it so much.
So with everything that's been going on, especially throughout 2020, and it's carrying over into 2021, I've been curious, like as an African American citizen in the United States, but also being a creative, have you noticed any discrimination, like with like getting jobs or anything like that, or has it been pretty good?
Honestly, I would kind of say it's the opposite, especially with everything that was going on. If anything, it's definitely helped me and other black creators just be able to get our name out there and get more work, because more people saw what was going on in the world and they wanted to actually get involved and help. So if anything, it helped me. It like gave me a boost, and I've gotten more opportunities since then. Before that, luckily for me, I didn't really experience anything that stopped me from getting to where I wanted to be. I can't say the same for others, but for myself, it wasn't as bad, you know.
Well, thanks for talking with me today.
Of course.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Always.
You guys should definitely go subscribe to him on YouTube and follow him on Instagram. See what he's creating. There's always dope content coming out. So,
Yep.
Yeah. All right. I'll catch you guys next week.
See you guys later.